SendWave Honest Review, my real experience with this money transfer service. If you've ever tried sending money internationally, you know how frustrating high fees and slow delivery can be. That's why I tested SendWave, a mobile app that promises instant, low-cost transfers. Here's my honest review, after using it multiple times. Most people think all money transfer apps charge big fees or hide costs in exchange rates. But the surprising truth about SendWave is how transparent it is. For most transfers to Africa and Asia, there's zero fee, yes, zero. You only pay through a slightly adjusted exchange rate, which is still better than banks. I sent money from the US to Kenya, and it arrived in under 30 seconds. The recipient got an instant mobile money notification, no waiting, no extra steps. I also tested transfers to Ghana and the Philippines. Both were just as fast and accurate. Setting up the app was easy. You link a debit card, verify your identity, and you're ready to go. The interface is clean and straightforward, perfect for anyone new to online transfers. What I liked most was the reliability. Every transaction came with real-time tracking and text confirmations. And if there was ever a delay, customer support responded quickly. However, SendWave isn't global yet. Transfers mainly cover African and Asian countries, with limited support in Europe or Latin America. But in the regions it serves, it's incredibly efficient. Overall, SendWave is a game changer for sending money fast and securely. It's affordable, user-friendly, and trusted by millions. If you're tired of hidden fees or waiting days for funds to arrive, this is an app worth downloading.